All right, friends, so today we're going to talk about how to make a hot list. Go to the categories of our products and pick whichever one you're going to use. For me, it's going to be the Father's Day items. So I'm going to go through, and I am personally grabbing the Pulse set or the Shield Men's line. And when you go in and click on the heart, you're going to be able to create your hot list. You add your title to it and then click done. Now you've got your new hot list, must have for dads. So you can go back through now and click on the heart on any of the items and tell it that you want to add it to that list. So I'm going to go through real quick and grab all of the different Father's Day items that I know I can personally sell. So for me, that's going to be the Shield Men's items. So you go through and you get all of the items into the hot list that you want to have there. Okay. And then you're going to go up and scroll all the way up to the top of the page to be able to find your hot list. You click on the heart that is at the top of the page. And then you're going to go down to the bottom of the screen and you see all of your hot lists. You click on the three little dots, share your hot list. Then you're going to scroll back down to the bottom of the screen and turn the toggle on, and that's going to give you a shareable link.